day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Meiji Flores. I'm 37 years old. I have twin children, age 18 years old and 6 years old. I have one brother and one sister. I'm the eldest of the family. I'm a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience in Hong Kong, I serve one couple and one children, age 7 months old. I can do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and washing car, and taking care of the baby.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby is sick, I will call my employer and ask to him and check the temperature.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family, especially for my children.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus my work and remind myself that I need this work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. and wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be patient and be calm.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours? Do you promise to not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Little bit, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you sing with me.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer, if you choose me, I can do my best. I can do my best and promise that I can do my best and promise that all my work is can do. Thank you.
Okay.